This video is for educational purposes only. If you have any questions, please send me a message in the comment section below.
I am installing this program on Windows 11, but the procedure is the same or very similar for other versions of Windows. Download VMware and all parts of the Mazda program. Create a folder and name it Mazda. Go to the Downloads folder and make sure your two files look the same as mine. That is, they have the same name. If you see a -00 and number in the end of the file name, then rename the files and remove the dash, the two zeros and the number that follows. Move the files to the Mazda folder. Click on the first part, select WinRAR and extract here. Enter this password, www.tools4car.co.uk. Cut out the unzipped Mazda IDS folder and put it somewhere where you are sure not to delete it. I choose the C drive for this purpose. Open VMware. You can have different programs on the same VMware. I, for example, already have the Ford IDS program installed. Select Open a virtual machine. Find your Mazda folder. Mine is on the C drive. Inside, click on the IDS file. In the section Edit Virtual Machine Settings, you can change the amount of RAM assigned to the virtual machine. The higher the number of RAM, the faster the virtual machine, but the slower your native Windows. So make sure you find the golden mean that suits you. Press Play Virtual Machine. If you see this option select, I move it. Select No. Wait for the program to load. Select Public Network. Restart now. Connect VCM2 interface to USB. In the upper left corner, select Player. Press Removable Devices, Vetronix and Connect. Press the round Windows symbol in the bottom left corner. Select Control Panel and Device Manager. Here under Network Adapters, you should see the device, ATAS VCI. Open the VCI Manager. Here you will see a red device symbol with a serial number underneath. Press on the icon and press Recover. Start update and OK. This will take some time. After updating the interface, you will see a message that the VCM will reboot and is ready to use. Wait until you hear a beep. Select Player, Removable Device, and connect the Vetronic device. Wait until the serial number is displayed and press the red icon and connect. Now open the Mazda IDS tab. Open the first top tab and select the second bottom one. Select VCM2. Here you can compare the serial number in the program and VCM Manager. They are the same. This means that the device is ready for operation. If you have finished using the program, do not close the computer, but press the X in the top right corner and select Suspend. If you want to open the program, select the yellow VMware icon and start IDS. After restarting, make sure that the Vetronix interface is detected by VMware. If it is, press VCI Manager, click on the red interface icon and select Connect. If you have reached this point, congratulations, you have just installed the program.